Hello, if you want to charge your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE wireless, you don't have to actually turn on any settings inside this phone. All you have to do is just to put it on the wireless charger, just like this. Take a look. If it is not working, like in my case, you will have to sometimes put it a little bit lower or higher. As you can see, right now it works. So if you are thinking about the charger, so in my case, this is like $2 charger from an Amazon. I just purchased this one like 1 year ago. It's like very cheap charger, and it works. You don't have to actually use an original charger from Samsung or from any other brand like Apple or I don't know, Motorola. You can pick like a no-name company and it will works fine. So yeah, but if you want to like reach the highest speed of the wireless charger, then you can actually try to purchase an original. But if you don't mind about this one, if you can charge your phone for like 2 hours or 3 hours, so you can pick any charger that you want. So that will be all the quick information for you. Thanks for watching.